come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. Defi bully, Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi Bully. I think I'm about to change my name to Notification Bell NASA. I have to, because I'm about to show y'all again why you got to press that notification bell. Right now, we have something new. It is auto staking. Lock to earn protocol, the first fork. And from my experience, those first forks always have a good amount of success. The first fork of LockPay. All right, but before we jump into that, remember, yeah, the YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and like this video, because I'll come with that content. All right, now back to what I was saying. Now, this project is called Lucky 777. Okay, now it's an auto staking lock to earn protocol with 777.77% APY for the year. If you do the math, that's about like 2.4% a day, which isn't bad. They're adapting the same tokenomics as the LockPay, which I've been liking. It was a little hiccup earlier, but I think they corrected that. Okay, it's a super high paying token without the big dumps, utilizing LockPay's proven anti-dump mechanism to prevent big dumps and keep your investment safe. All right. I like how they got the little animations right here with everything. I don't know if my face is in the way. Okay. KYC and identity verification is in process. It's wow. What's up with me? I'm so excited. My words is yeah, but the KYC and identity verification is in progress. It said it provides the best security and healthy chart like no other token. Cash out, convert your crypto back to cash. Okay, super high fixed interest of 2.48% a day. So I was pretty much there. Double your tokens in at least 30 days. So 2.48% over the course of a month. It should more than double your amount. Okay. This is the new trend, lock to earn. This is the new trend, like I've been saying. This is the trend. You got to hop on these trends. This is DeFi. And this is not financial advice, because you already know what can happen in these spaces. It could be here today and gone tomorrow, but this one's looking like it's promising. I believe LockPay, although they did have that hiccup, I'm pretty sure they're still going to be doing good. They're going to pick up steam. We all seen what happened with Baby Beans. We all seen what happened with Drip. They always have a slow start, as you see right here. And this is not even that long ago. Wait, when was this actually? I believe this was like a few days ago. Yeah. May 22nd, May 10th, May 11th, 15th, 16th, and then blow, look at that. Oh my God, this is the little thing I was talking about, but I don't think it's going to go down much further. It's going to pick back up, especially when Steam start building. Woo, this is the LockPay chart. I believe the Lucky 7's is going to have a similar chart to this, because the tokenomics is basically the same, and this is a chance for people to see something that worked. And since they've seen the success of the LockPay, now they're gonna have a lot more people is gonna have a chance to jump in earlier. Okay, how much can I expect to earn at the end of 12 months? At the end, if you start with $100 of 7 tokens, $100 US worth of 7 tokens invested, you can earn up to $770,777, which is crazy to think about it. And that's in about a year. Okay, that's wild. All right. If you want financial freedom, the 7 and the law of compounding can get you there. Like I said, this does compound by itself automatically. You can easily double your investment every month with our super high fixed interest, 2.48%. A day, which possibly allows you to turn 100 into $770,777.77 within 12 months. 7 utilizes a state-of-the-art anti-dump mechanism to protect you from crashes. Okay, so a good strategy for this would be, they're gonna have the same thing implemented where you only could withdraw 1 to 5% daily, and they said it is depending on the charts and everything like that. So it just helps minimize the dump factor. Okay, you only could withdraw 1% of your money. So if you have 10,000 in there, you could withdraw 100 a day, and also you're receiving 2.48% a day. So you're actually receiving more than you even could dump. You're receiving more than you could take out daily. So in all honesty, if everybody gets in and does everything works how it's supposed to work, then this could probably run forever. Although we do know this is crypto and DeFi, and it's very rare where things last that long. Hopefully this is one of those things that change that cycle. 7 uses LockPay first class anti-dump mechanism. When whale dump huge amounts of token, your investment rapidly crashes down. But with 7, we finally solved the problem with our slow sell system. Okay, how it works. Whales can't dump 100% of their token. Just like an ATM has a max withdrawal limit for each day, 7 also has a max cash out limit. Investors can dump the token because they have strictly limited to up to 5% per day. Okay, we're not sure where they're gonna start at, or where they deciding to go to 5%, or when they would do that. I will have links to the Telegram group and the Discord down below. You know they're gonna keep everything posted it right there. I'm just doing a quick run through for you guys. Okay, automatically protect your investments, yada yada yada. This means no crash, healthy chart, and parabolic growth. With 3.5% of all 7 tokens being burnt in the high burn system, the more trading volume, the more burn, reducing the circulating supply and keeping the protocol stable. The Treasury provides support for the Lucky 7's insurance fund, the LIF, to help pump up the chart for the 7 token, and also funds investments and marketing. I'm not sure what investments they have planned, but I'm sure they're going to keep everybody posted with that. And hopefully they have something where the community could be involved when it comes to that. Okay, the world's best ADM. Okay. Unlike other tokens, healthier charts. Yes, and here go the tokenomics, people. Now there's a 10% buy tax and a 14% sell tax. So when you're buying, set your slippage to 14%. And you know, at launch, you might have to go a little bit higher because of the high traffic and whatnot. Automatic LP, 2% of order fee return to liquidity. Yes, yes. Trying to keep this mad simple for y'all. And also, let's take a look at the Telegram group, because the Telegram group actually just started like an hour ago. Right now, it's showing 85 members. When I jumped in this, it was like 50 members. So, you know, this is going to be, like I said a while ago to somebody, this is going to be in the thousands in the next couple of days. Probably going to hit 1,000 in the next 2 days. Now let's look through the pinned. Oh, I'm the one I kept asking for the website, and then they finally put it there and pinned it. Okay. All right. Now let's see some of the points they have right here. The keynotes. 1 to 5% daily sell limit. That's important, people. It's important. Now, Lucky 7 is the newest chance for financial freedom. The 7 token is the second lock to earn token on the market. 7 is inspired by the very successful model of the LockPay. LockPay has created a system that allows users to earn an amazing APY while avoiding major price dumps. Lucky 7's allow you to earn a fixed APY, 770,000, 777. I mean, they're doing the 7's, you know? So it's kind of like a style. You know, while avoiding the major price swings that occur with rebasing tokens. Okay, with the high APY, you can earn a monthly ROI of 108% a month. This means that you can earn, you could turn $100 into $1 million in 376 days. Come on now, come on now. Come on now. And if you jump in early, like at launch, when the price is at 0.00 or whatever the launch price may be, that's going to be an easy 10x. This could possibly be a quick 100x if the hype is around it, like how it seems to be. And shout out to all the YouTubers I see popping up in this Telegram group, Chasing Financial Freedom. That's my boy. What's up, my boy? You know what I mean? And I've seen a few other ones. I just don't want to make this video too long. Just want to keep it short and keep y'all informed that this is coming. I have links down below. You can also go to my Telegram group, Bullpen Millionaires. You already know this is me right here, and we just trying to do the thing. We all bullish about this. Now let's hop out that bullpen and run it up to financial freedom. Okay, and remember, this is not financial advice, people. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here showing y'all the things and telling y'all why y'all should hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell. And this, remember, do your own research, people. Do your own research, because this is crypto and DeFi. It is risky, but I like the risk sometimes, because this is how we're gonna get rich, people. How else we gonna do it like this? How we gonna let's go.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.